everybody. We just got a wreck down here on 13th Street and Oak. Sounds like it's a Toyota pickup. So we're gonna head out there and clear up the scene. But I'll let you know when we get there. See ya. Now by the time that I got there, they had already moved both vehicles to this small parking lot. The crash was actually in the middle of that intersection there behind me. It's a real shame that another small pickup is probably going to end up in the scrapyard after this wreck, because I'm a big fan of these old pickup trucks. I really think they're cool and I wish they'd make a whole lot more of them. And if you guys could, let me know down in the comments if you like these videos without as much music playing in the background or more music in the background. I can never tell. Some people like the music, some people don't and just want to hear the sounds of the truck. And let me know what it is that you would like to see more of, whether that be the music or just the sounds of the scene. That way I can try to get a better understanding of what my audience is actually looking for. Alright guys, we're back to the shop now, and it was a pretty easy one there. Basically what he said that happened, he was at the light going down, the light turned green, he gassed it, and another car came up, ran the red light right in front of him, and he actually ran into their car. They were able to drive, so they were actually both in the same parking lot when I loaded the vehicle. His car, the radiator was smashed, it was dripping everywhere, so we had to get it towed off and towed it back to his house where he could deal with the insurance from there. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll let you guys know when we get another one. See ya.